What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back here again with a new motovlog. And this time, I am doing the 3R challenge. That was given to me by the Punkster. I believe I'm saying that right. The Punkster? If you can, there'll be a link below in the video description for his channel. Please go over there, take a look at his content, be sure to hit the thumbs up on his videos, give him a sub, you know, let's spread some love. Let's spread some love. Anyway, the 3R challenge. The challenge is to give 3 reasons why you ride. Sounds simple enough. It actually wasn't as simple for me, to be honest with you, and I actually did look back at one of my previous videos called Why I Motovlog, which I actually might redo, maybe when the time comes, maybe. However, this is why I ride. I love being outside. I love like the wind. It's amazing what, and they call it wind therapy for a reason. Riding a motorcycle, like roads like this, like nice, quiet, like countryside settings, they really help you unwind and relieve any sort of stress. And having that wind hit you, I mean, it's amazing what it does for you. The second reason why I love to ride, see, there I go. I said why I love to ride. You know what? I can't deny the love. I have to embrace the love. The second reason why I love to ride. Riding has brought me to places I never thought I'd go. I've been to the top of mountains. I've been to large bodies of water. I've met people that if I wasn't riding, I probably never would. So riding has honestly added more miles to my life than anything. And I wouldn't trade it for the world. That's how much that one means to me. That one should honestly be number one. That's like the number one reason. Just the places and the people. I'm combining it into one of why I love to ride. It's a full-bodied experience that you can only get on 2 wheels. And I mean, if you're on, you know, say a Spider, Can-Am, you know, one of those. I mean, I guess you can get it from that. Because I'm not trying to take that away from them, because I know some people that can't ride 2 wheels because either their balance is not what it used to be anymore, and they still want to be out there. And, you know, bless them for that, you know, that they're still out there getting this. And now the third reason, and this one's hard because I combined the 2 on the last one, would have to be it's something that my father and I do, and it's something that means a lot to me. And it's weird enough that when I was younger, him and my mom would go out for rides, and I'd be like devastated because I had the mindset of it's so dangerous, it's scary, you know, what if they don't come home? Like, I had that mindset. But let me just clarify, when this happened, I was maybe between the ages of 8 to 10, 8 and 12, no, probably not 12, probably 10, 11 would be the max. But I always had that feeling like, you know, what would I do if something ever happened? So the mindset for me to have a motorcycle scared me. And I'm being 100% honest with you. You know, at that age, I had no intentions to ever buy a motorcycle. Never. And then getting older, and I say older, and here I am 32, I found myself, I mean, I was probably like 23, 24 when I decided, you know, I kind of want to look into getting a motorcycle. You know, it's something, I mean, my dad just got a Harley at this point, after years of riding a Honda Magna. And I said, I kind of want to get, look into it. I want to do it right though. I want to take the MSF course and do it right and be sure that it is for me. And I tell you what, 5 minutes in the MSF course, I was sold. I was having the time of my life. 2 wheels changed me. And it changed me for the better. I feel free. I feel, I don't know, it's amazing. It's something that it's hard to describe, but you just feel it 100% in you. And that is what I think being on a motorcycle is really about. Is it takes you away from the norm and just, look at this. It's beautiful. It's a swamp, but it's beautiful. You wouldn't have this experience if you're in a car. You feel that wind hit you right here. You get the smell, the swamp, for this instance, and it takes you there. This is life, people. And you know what? I really love it. So those are my 3 reasons why I love riding a motorcycle. Now, I'm going to nominate 3 people to do this challenge. 3 people that I want to know what makes them want to ride. Rev Nerd, challenging you, buddy. So Rev Nerd, you're up. I want to see what your reasons are. Let's see. The second person I want to nominate. You know what? I'm going to do it. I don't know if he will do it or not, but you know what, Mr. Shade Tree Surgeon? I want to know why you ride, sir. I want your take. Bring us more into your world of what makes you love to ride. And the last one, I'm gonna say Jester. Jester, you're up. I gotta nominate you for something, buddy. Get you out of that house. Get you out and about. I want to know. I want to know. And actually, you know what? I'm going to do a 4th one. And only because he's brand spanking new to the motovlogging. Lakes Region rider. He's local. He's right down the road from me. And I really want him to hit the ground running, getting his channel going. So you're up, buddy. I want to see what makes you love riding. So those are my 4. And I want to thank the Punkster again. Check out his channel. Be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for him. And same here on my channel. If you don't mind hitting that like button, hitting the subscribe button, it really helps me out. And check out my links above in my little banner. I got Teespring, I got Twitter, I got Discord. Come on, hang out in the Discord. We're always there. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Kaptain Granite is out of here.